good evening and good afternoon again. All 858, 68, I don't know, there's a lot of you now, so nice. Today's video. So about a month ago I filmed a video called For Reasons I Love Ireland, something like that, and it got over 200 comments, and I realized that those 5 reasons are like, I didn't say everything I wanted to say. So this one will be very creatively called 5 more reasons to love Ireland. So let's start. I have my notes as always, and you probably noticed by all the drone shots I'm on a little bit of a trek today, visiting a castle near Galway here, but more about that later. Let's start. So first, or sixth if you count the last video, reason I love Ireland is its history, because it's very rich. Like the first known settlement in Ireland is over 8,000 years, no, is from 8,000 years BC, and then you have Vikings arriving here and at 7th or 8th century, and everything that happened later. So yeah, very rich history here. To continue on the same note, castles. Counting ruins and towers and everything, there's over 30,000 castles in Ireland, which is unbelievable to me. I like walls, I like castles, I like fortifications, and that's why I'm visiting this one today. You'll see a lot of footage from that. But yeah, there's like a shitload of castles here, which is plus in my book. Next, what would be the next? Cheese. The cheddar cheese. The red, the white, the mature, the vintage, whichever you pick, it's amazing. And let me elaborate a little bit. It's not like you come to, I don't know, France, I guess, or somewhere, Switzerland. You enter the shop and there's like 100 different types of brie, of I don't know what. It's not like that. But cheddar cheese, trust me. The next would be the pubs and Guinness, of course. The most famous Irish drink. Wherever in the world you mention Ireland, I believe Guinness will be in the top 3 words people will associate it with. So yeah, pubs are great. They have very warm feeling about them. And together with Guinness, of course, you can't go bad. And that leads me to my last point. Irish music, and I mean the Irish traditional music. What's with the sun now? Yeah, combine that with pubs and Guinness and that violin and that just feeling that it has a nice feeling to it. That's it. That's what I said. And that would be it, I believe. If you liked this video, click the like button. If you didn't, click the dislike one. If you loved it, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.